Welcome to KacyKreates. My name is Kacy Birchfield. I am a 39-year-old single mom of two. I currently am an active member in the Society for Creative Anachronism here in the Middle Kingdom. I live in Ohio. In my spare time, I love to play dress up. I have been sewing for 26 years, and I am hoping that I can share some of my sewing knowledge with you. Right now, I have a series on sewing a medieval smock. So if you are looking to do some new undergarments for your Society for Creative Anachronism garb, this is a great place to start. I'm hoping to have some more videos like that in the near future. I am glad that you stopped by, so please like and subscribe. If you have any friends who might be interested in what I'm doing here, please share this channel with them. I would love to see more of you. Thanks again for stopping by. See you soon.